Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix Counter-Strike 2 not launching from Steam with a few simple steps. First, open Steam, go to your library, right-click Counter-Strike 2, select Properties, then go to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will fix any missing or corrupted files automatically. Next, make sure your graphics drivers are fully updated. Outdated drivers are one of the most common reasons the game fails to launch. After that, close Steam completely and run it as administrator, then try launching the game again. If the issue still continues, disable any background apps like overlays from Discord or GeForce Experience, because they can sometimes block the game from starting. Also, check that your Windows is up to date and your system meets the minimum requirements. Finally, if nothing works, reinstall the game as a last step. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.